Hi students, welcome to first year accounting class. In my previous class, I have explained you the reasons for differences in cash book balance and bank book balance, that is passbook balance. So, in that process, I have explained you a topic called bank reconciliation statement. Okay. Once again, let me clear. Customer opens a cash book in which deposits are debited. This is debit side, this is credit side. I hope all of you know this. And payments are recorded on credit side. Whereas bank in which you have opened the account, it will prepare a passbook. Bank will prepare a passbook which is in the reverse order. All the deposits made by the customer will be recorded on the credit side, and all the withdrawals by the customer will be recorded on the debit side. Okay. So here, whenever you withdraw money, it will be debited. Whenever you deposit money, it will be credited. So I can show you the terminology, how the bank works. You can see here, if you can read, your account 4440 is debited with rupees 50,000 on so through UPI. Okay. What is this? This was sent by the bank. Debited means it is showing that I have withdrawn 50,000 rupees. I have withdrawn 50,000 rupees. You can see, this is the message I have received from my bank that your account dash dash is debited with rupees 50,000. Debited means I am withdrawing 50,000. Suppose if I have deposited, you can see here, amount credited information, amount rupees 50,000, account number credited. Okay. And then it is showing the balance also. So when I am depositing, it is credited in passbook. These are the messages sent by my bank. So in bank account, whenever you deposit money, it will be credited. Whenever you withdraw cash, it will be debited. On the other hand, it is reverse. So if you deposit, you have to write on the debit side. If you withdraw, you have to write on the credit side. Payments are, say, you can write on withdrawals also. Payments or withdrawals. Now what happens is, you will have a balance over here as on a particular date. Your cash book will be having a particular balance, and in the passbook also you will have a balance. So what I was explaining in my previous class is, both this will not be same. The balance shown by the cash book and balance shown by the passbook may not match. So what were the reasons that already we have discussed it. Now what is the advantage of preparing BRS that we are going to discuss in this class? Why should we prepare BRS? The first one is, any errors or mistakes occurred in the cash book or passbook may be identified. Suppose say, here you have deposited 21,000, but unfortunately you have returned only 12,000. You can see here. In cash book I am entering as 21,000. In passbook it is entered as 12,000. The digits were interchanged. So with this what happens? the balance will mismatch by 9,000 rupees. Cashbook will show more balance and whereas passbook will show less balance. So this type of errors can be identified. Next, any undue delay in clearance of checks will be shown up. What do you mean by clearance of checks? When we issue a check to our employees or to our customers to withdraw money, bank has to make the payment immediately. For example, Srimati Medhavi Junior College has given me salary. I go to the bank, okay, or I deposit into my account. Now, from the account of Srimati Medhavi Junior College, the money should be transferred to my account. Then I can withdraw money. This is what called as clearance. Or whatever we deposit, that must be immediately credited to our account. So if this is not happening, why the checks are not cleared immediately? Why it is being delayed? What are the technical problems? We will come to know. Next, helps in preventing fraud and misappropriations. Many times I told you, in any business organization, there are chances of fraud. Like the accountants or cashiers, okay. Whenever the offline class start, I will show you various examples of frauds. How after becoming a chartered accountant or accountant, how you have to identify them. Many times, the selfish employees and erroneous people do conduct some types of frauds. Like we ask them to deposit 10,000 into bank. They deposit only 1,000, but in accounts they show that it is deposited as 10,000. Or sometimes they show that it is deposited, but they take check on their name. Many manipulations may take place. So if you have the habit of preparation of BRS in a regular manner, you can identify these frauds and errors. Otherwise, the employees may cheat the organization. Then it helps you to get up-to-date record from the bank. What is your balance in your bank account on a particular date? Okay, today the technology has improved. By the time to time we are receiving messages. But earlier we were not getting any messages and there were no mobile banking services. So we had to get record from the bank that exactly how much balance is available in the bank. Like that, up-to-date information can be received. Then it ensures that evidence for payments, proper evidence of payments will be there. For example, college has given me salary. After a particular time, I may say that no sir, I am not given salary. You have not given me salary, I can blame. So if you prepare BRS, you will have the statement on which date the college has given check, on which date I have withdrawn money. All that evidence will be there. So that is how bank reconciliation statement ensures the organization to provide proper evidence for its payments. Not only salaries, anything. For example, for the owner, we pay rent. Suddenly the landlord may forget and he may again come and say that, no, the college has not paid me rent. So if you, as you have made the payment through check, you can give the bank statement. Sir, see this date we have given the check. Already it has been cleared. On so and so date it was the amount was credited to your bank account. Please go and check. Like that we can provide evidence. Then it helps in finding the actual balance. As on a particular day, what exact amount of balance is available in our bank. Accordingly, we can issue the checks. Next, it helps in taking out the matter with the bank regarding checks deposited but not collected. Many a times, every business organization receives checks and we deposit into bank account. But unfortunately, they are not credited into bank account immediately. They delay. So we can discuss with bank why it is happening. For example, parents do come to the college campus and they give the checks towards the fees and we send them to the bank. But bank will not immediately credit that amount into our bank account. We assume that the cash has come. Parents have given the checks. Bank will be collecting the checks and the amount is credited to our account. But when we verify, the amount will not be there in the bank account. Why the delay is taking place? That also we can find out. So these are the advantages of bank reconciliation statement.